turning an object, trigonometry can be used to rotate an object. For example, we want to rotate the ship, but we don't know how much. The x and y speed values can be used to find a, and the trigonometric ratio for tangent is the most appropriate to use in here. So tangent of A is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. And when manipulating that, we can actually solve for the angle A by the inverse of tangent, or arctan times the opposite over adjacent is equal to A. And this is how it would look like when putting it into code when programming the game. Okay, so let's say for example we wanted to rotate this hero at a certain angle, but we don't know how much degrees to rotate it. We'll be needing a trigonometric ratio to solve for that. So in this example, as we have already annotated this picture given, as we are using the hero Popol and Koopa to demonstrate on how we are going to solve for the unknown angle. So right here we have two given side lengths, and with our reference angle beta, we'll be able to identify that 8 feet is the adjacent side and 12 feet is the opposite side. With that, as we know about the trigonometric ratios, and if we are talking about the relationship of the opposite side and the adjacent side, then probably we can recall that this is actually related to the acronym TOA. Let me write the solution in here. So TOA is actually referring to the trigonometric ratio of tangent. Therefore, since we are solving for the unknown angle, we must write in the solution the tangent of the given angle beta is equal to, of course, that is the opposite side over the adjacent side. So that is 12 over 8. So if that is 12 over 8, we can actually solve for the unknown angle by the inverse of the tangent, or that is the inverse of the tangent, or arctan times 12 over 8. And to do that, we can actually use a calculator to solve for the value of beta. So in our calculator, we will be using the arctan of, that is opposite over adjacent. So in the given, that is 12 over 8. So in our solution, we'll be able to solve that the arctan of 12 over 8, or arctan of 3 halves, is equal to 56.31 degrees. So in our final answer, the inverse of the tangent, 12 over 8, is equal to 56.31 degrees. And by rounding that off to the nearest tenths, that will be 56.3 degrees. So this will be now our final answer. So we'll be rotating Popol by 56.3 degrees. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.